Russia, explain to me why 10 Shahed drones entered my airspace? I had to shoot them down. Not only did I have to shoot them down, American F-35s, Dutch F-35s, and Romanian F-16s had to also respond. Are you out of your mind? What are you talking about? This is nonsense. Nothing of the sort happened. What are you talking about, Poland? One of my pilots scored a kill on your drones. I'm tired of this lying nonsense bullcrap. You've been having multiple intrusions into NATO territory for almost multiple days in a row sometimes. September 2nd, you also entered Moldovan and Romanian airspace. What, are you out of your mind? You have, those Shaheds aren't even unguided anymore. I know that for a fact. Fact check me, CIA. Yeah, them's the facts. Even if they were affected by electronic warfare systems, this is a huge mess up. I'm telling you right now, Russia, you're lucky no one got hurt, because I should already be considering this an act of war, let alone just the irresponsibility. And you're just sitting there saying nothing. Oh, no. Now I'm allowed to talk. Now, Russia has no comments on the time. I'm not gonna lie, that thing was like shooting a bus. That thing didn't maneuver for shit. I think everyone, including Poland, is tired of your shit. I have more things to do than to worry about a Shahed running into an apartment building because you're an idiot. Ugh. Hey, Poland. Need any assistance? Oh, I don't know. Do I need assistance, Russia? Do I? Or I'm gonna have to beat your ass myself. And trust me, nothing would make me more happy to do that. Poland, no run is... Okay. I get it. My bad. I messed up, okay? It was not intentional. If one of your little mistakes kills a Polish citizen, I'm gonna have your neck. Do you understand me? Look, I understand you're upset, Poland, but let's be honest, little buddy. Oh, fuck. I think I could speak for the rest of us and say that not a lot of us are even scared of you. 9. Oh, scheiße. Well, he done buggered up now. Billy! Russia? Yes. Scream and run.
That was a giant cat. But that's impossible, isn't it?
It's entirely impossible. You know, I like this hiding place a lot better. They'll never find us here. Scream and run.